So hello, uh, now we go on to the fourth part of doing your session or planning for your session. So we have seen earlier how to create your class, then we went on to see how to create your channels or like your session plan, and in the third one we saw how to use the uh, options of uh, files and notes into your session. So these were the three parts first. Now that this part I'm going to talk about scheduling your lecture. How will you schedule your lecture? Okay, so let's say now I want to schedule a class for my second topic, that is types of standards. So very simple, I'm going to click on types of standards. So this is going to be like an individual session. Now under this, at the bottom you will find this small icon which says meet now, right? So you have to click on meet now. So the moment you click on meet now, you will see a small box opening over here which says want to add a subject. So right now we are not going to add any subject because by default it is going to take 1.2 types of standards as the name for this particular meeting. I'm not going to meet now. Camera is on or off, it's no problem. Okay, and I'm going to click on schedule meeting. So once I click on schedule meeting, this new dialog box or this box will open where it has some details that you need to add. Now here add title. Title I can put what I intend to teach, types of standards. Second one is add required attendees. Now this is adding any person apart from the class that you have. Apart from the class. So let's say I want Anuradha Karmarkar ma'am, or she wants to attend my session over here. So I will put in her name and I can add her over here. All right. So similarly, we can add a few more who want to attend this session. So this is for adding the extra person, but the whole class is already seen over here. If you see, FSMS 1.2 is already there. So everybody will be by default taken into consideration. Then the date. So let's say I'm going to plan on 29th. My lecture is at morning 10:30. Let's say 10:30. It's a 1 hour session, so it will go on to 11:30. All right, and then I will not repeat since I'm not going to have the same time on all days. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Do not repeat. If you want to add any location, you can add over here. Let's say I'm going to take it from classroom number 2. So I'm going to add use classroom number 2. So I'm going to just a location. I may or I may not require to add anything over here. You want to give any details for this meeting, you can give. There's no harm over here. All right. So this is already set now. Everything is done. And then I say send. What happens when I'm going to click on send? Okay. See, you saw it on the screen now. So for session types of standards, this particular thing has already been scheduled on Monday, so and so time. All right. Now you can ask students if you want them to reply by saying yes, I will join, etc. But that's optional with you. Secondly, if you click on calendar on the left over here, okay, on the calendar, now this is 26th over here. I'm going to go to the further dates. So if you see, I have scheduled a 10:30 session already for this. I have already planned one session, so I'm just showing you all a session that is planned at 10:30 to 11. Now only difference is I had planned one class in lecture classroom 1 and classroom 2. I can edit this at any time and change it. So editing is a later on part. Right now, how to create your class. All right. So this is how you will create your class. Next session, we will see about how to do the class and how to record. Thank you all. Bye bye.